Goodbye, middleman. Hello, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Win-Win Union. I'm so glad that you visited our website. I'm going to explain to you how we can help you purchase goods directly from factories in China. We run 2 factories by ourselves that have more than 20 years production experience and thousands of cooperative factories. We have a very deep understanding of product production and the market, so we can give you more professional analysis and product quotation. These are advantages that middlemen and other foreign trade companies do not have. If you need to travel to China to directly purchase stainless steel kitchenware and other products, we can help you book an air ticket, hotel, arrange for airport pickups, offer translation services, and take you to the markets to directly purchase goods from the factories. Well, there are no middlemen in the whole process, and we charge only a very small service fee. When you confirm your order, we give you a sample. And if you don't want to travel to China, we can send you a sample to your place of confirmation. After you confirm the order, we can help you proceed with the other work like follow-up orders, confirm production from the factories, and supervise delivery of the goods, as this is very critical. So you can calmly settle back home. We have good production experience and we can strictly control the product quality. We have offices in different local towns, and this helps us to check the production in a convenient way. We can convey to you the product production progress and any other inquiry. After production, if you want to travel back to China, we can still arrange your services like hotel accommodation and contact as per the agreed loading time and many more. And if you don't want to travel back to China, we can still arrange for you the final product sample and send it to you so that you can confirm. Thereafter, we arrange for you shipment of the goods. The nearest ports to Chaozhou are Shenzhen, which is only 300 kilometers away, and Shantou, which is just 30 kilometers away from Chaozhou town. In the whole procurement process, you can save about 30% of the cost and directly purchase from the factory, and the supply chain is more stable. In addition, if you need to customize your products, we can help you make your own product and mold. We will not sell you customized products without your permission. Thank you. Please click on our YouTube channel to subscribe and leave a message in case of any question.